WhatsApp connecting problem easy solution. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve the WhatsApp connecting problem, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to solve the WhatsApp connecting problem, maybe you're trying to place an audio call or a video call but you're not being able to do so, there are a couple of ways on how you can fix it. The very first thing of course we have to check is whether or not our internet connection is just fine, because most of the times the issue could be coming from the internet connection. So just check whether or not your Wi-Fi is working correctly or your mobile data. Once you have done that, the WhatsApp app could have some issues. So open up your Play Store, check if WhatsApp has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. You'll find an update button if it requires an update. The next thing we're going to do is just simply long press the WhatsApp app icon, tap the I button to come to the app information page here. Then what we're going to do from here is we're simply going to go to storage and make sure to clear the cache files now. Do not clear the data, because if you clear the data, what happens over here is that you will have to go ahead and then reset, and all your chats are going to get lost if you haven't backed them up. So just tap on clear cache and see if that helps you. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.